rugged and wild territories of Judea, 40 kilometers south of Jerusalem, is an unexpected, mysterious, yet fascinating sight. Surprisingly well preserved amidst the rocky landscape, the ancient synagogue at Susya was never destroyed. The 3,000 inhabitants later seem to have abandoned the area and its underground city. Another baffling enigma is that the location is undocumented in early literature. Built around the 4th century CE, the area is filled with about 30 mikveot-like pools for purification. Why was that necessary after the destruction of the temple? Or was the rainwater collected in them as cisterns? 2 rolling stone entrances greet the visitor upon entering the courtyard. Another point of curiosity is that this dedicatory Mosaic inscription is in Hebrew instead of Aramaic. But the real controversy revolves around this Mosaic inscription in Aramaic of the Messianic title, Comforter, Yeshua, and Witness Martyr. Was this Yeshua Jesus or a local inhabitant? Inside the synagogue itself is a well-preserved mosaic floor with a Bema for the Torah shrine. Synagogues after the temple destruction had this feature, whereas before the destruction, there was no need for that. The Torah shrine contained the receptacle for the Ark for the Torah scrolls. This makeshift example of the Bema is based on the incredibly well-preserved marble original, which is presently housed in the Israel Museum. The climax of the synagogue is the mosaic of the Torah shrine. This rare Judean example is more common in Galilee synagogues. Note that the doors are closed so that the pedestrian does not tread on the Torah scrolls. This unusual example has 2 lampstands or Menorahs with 2 lambs and olive branches. Some propose that this early Jewish Christian imagery is based on Revelation 11:4, claiming that the 2 lambs represent the morning and evening sacrifice. No site is complete without an escape tunnel, and Susya is no exception. Getting down into the subterranean passageway is a snug fit. The ceiling of the tunnel is sometimes only about 1.5 meters over the base of the floor. The inhabitants probably remembered the Second Jewish War of the Bar Kokhba era in the 2nd century, having a way to flee the Roman invading forces. It's possible to approach the end of the tunnel from the outside and enter into the compound that way too. In summary, together with the 2 rolling stones at the north and east entrances, this has been a compelling discussion whether Susya was a Jewish Messianic synagogue for the followers of Jesus. Hopefully, more information can come to light to give answers to this puzzle.